In this video, let's talk about the Mercedes Wheel Spacers Manufacturer, BONOSS. Let's go. BONOSS has an independent OEM factory, so customized wheel spacers can be complete 1 to 3 days at the fastest. Besides, BONOSS provides OEM ODM too. If you need wheel spacers with special thickness or bow pattern conversion to install the wheels with different data, BONOSS Customer Spacer is your best choice. BONOSS provides customized service of special thickness, 3mm to 116mm. The machining accuracy of BONOSS spacers reach a tolerance of 0.02mm, making the gap as accurate as a hair, and it will be very smooth when you install it. If you want to get the BONOSS wheel spacers, please make sure to see the link down on the description. Thanks for watching and have a great day.